Today I am going to teach you nitrogen compounds. So what is nitrogen compounds? In the name itself, the compounds containing nitrogen are called nitrogen compounds. In your syllabus, nitrogen compounds means amines. These amines are derivatives of ammonia. What is the formula for ammonia? NH3. By the replacing hydrogens of ammonia with alkyl or aryl, we are getting amines. If you see NH3, if you replace one of the hydrogen from ammonia with one R group, we get primary amine. If you replace two hydrogens with two alkyl groups, that is secondary amine. If you replace all three hydrogens with three alkyl groups, that is R1, R2, R3, means with the three groups. This is called tertiary amine. So amines are classified into primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine based on number of alkyl groups or aryl groups. If one alkyl group is there on ammonia, that is primary amine. If two alkyl groups, that may be same or different, are called secondary amines. If it has three groups, that is called tertiary amine. Let us detail. Primary amine, one alkyl or one aryl group is attached to the nitrogen atom, that is called primary amine. Two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. What we have seen in the before class, it may be two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, that is called secondary amine. If three groups are attached, three groups, that is maybe alkyl or aryl, that is called tertiary amine. If an anion is formed by giving lone pair of electrons of nitrogen, that is forming quaternary amine. Quaternary amine is a ion. It is giving electron pair to the another compound forming tetraamine salt. Next, naming amines found from the names of alkyl groups bond to nitrogen for the suffix amine. It is called amine. NH, this is amine. What is carbon? How many carbons? 1, 2. 2 carbon. That is ethyl amine. It is nitrogen. One methyl group is there. One methyl group is there. One methyl group is there. So here three hydrogens are replaced with three alkyl groups. That's why it is a tertiary amine. If you see, this is only one of the hydrogen of ammonia are replaced with ethyl. That's why this is primary amine. Here this is four groups are there. That's why it is a quaternary amine. This is replaced one hydrogen with methyl, one hydrogen with methyl, one is with a cyclohexane. This is tertiary amine. We know that this is a primary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary amine. This is tertiary amine. So let us see the name. Here two methyl groups are there, one ethyl group is there. So first, which we have given first preference according to alphabetical order. First, which comes either E or M. E comes. That's why ethyl. How many methyls are there? Two methyls. That's why ethyl dimethyl amine. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyl. 4 carbon containing aliphatic chain is the butane. Butyl. How many are there? 4. That's why tetrabutyl. Ammonium. What is it? Here chloride. This is tetrabutyl ammonium chloride. Here if you see, two are methyl groups, one is a cyclohexyl group. In between C and M, which comes first? C comes first. That's why we have to mention cyclohexyl first. After that only methyl group. That is, this is cyclohexyl. How many methyl groups are there? Two methyl groups. That's why cyclohexyl dimethyl amine. IUPAC names similar to that of alcohols. So first, the longest continuous chain is the root. How many long carbons here 1, 2, 3, 4. And which carbon it is amine is the second position. That's why buta 2 butanamine. This chain is a but. Second position amine. That's why it is 2 butanamine. If you see this 1, 2, 3, 4. This on third carbon methyl is there. That's why 3 methyl butanamine. If you say this, one longest chain is a root chain first. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why butanamine. First one is a butanamine. But on N what is there? Methyl is there. That's why N methyl. On which carbon amine is there? Second carbon. That's why N methyl 2 butanamine. N methyl 2 butanamine. If you see this structure, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons means hexane. This is amine. That's why hexamine. And which carbon atom is there? 1, 2, 3. Third carbon. That's why 3 hexamine. First is 3 hexamine. After that, on which carbons again methyls are there? Second carbon, fourth carbon. That's why 2, 4. 2, 4. Well, again on N also methyl are there. 2, 4. N methyl 2 times ఉన్నాయి. So N. Total how many methyl groups are there? 4 methyl groups. That's why 2, 4. N. 4 methyl groups means tetramethyl 3 hexanamine. Once again you check it. First, this is the amine compound or not. This is with NH2 group. That's why it is amine compound. Longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's butane. Butane plus amine, butanamine. Okay, na? After that, on which butanamine is this 1 butanamine or 2 butanamine? On which carbon amine is there? 2. Second carbon. That's why it is 2 butanamine. If you see this structure, on first carbon amine is there. That's why 1 butanamine. Here on second carbon amine is there. That's why 2 butanamine. But N also carrying methyl groups. That's why N methyl. If you see this structure, here 1, 2, 3. On third carbon N is there. That's why 3 hexanamine. How many methyl? 4 methyls. Like this, we can give nomenclature to amines.